Learning English is easy if you understand the basics. Today we will define singular and plural nouns with their Urdu meanings. So let's get started. Singular, the form of a word that refers to a single person, place, animal, thing or idea is called a singular. एक ऐसा लफ्ज़ जो एक शख्स, जगह, जानवर, चीज़ या ख़याल को बतलाए वो वाहिद है. Plural, the form of a word that refers to more than one person, place, animal, thing or idea is called a plural. एक ऐसा लफ्ज़ जो एक से ज़्यादा अशख़ास, जगहों, जानवरों, चीज़ों या ख़यालात को बतलाए वो जमा है. In my next video, I'll explain how to change singular nouns into plural. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Lingo and Life.